This is my newly restored 1950s standard tractor. Mostly other people know them as a Bantam. That was the line that they came out with right after this. I bought this tractor about a year ago and worked through the winter to completely refurbish it. I've gone through the engine. I had to put a new clutch into it. I bought a clutch online from Missouri. I also changed the clutch linkage to the opposite side of the tractor so that when I push the lever forward, the tractor goes forward. And when I pull the lever back, the tractor stops. I also redid the throttle linkage for the same reasons. It was set up backwards from the way that I like to have it. Well, this tractor was also produced at the factory without a brake mechanism on it. This tractor will be used in parades and shows, and I want to make sure there's a brake. So I manufactured a brake off of this pedal here. This operates a lever here, which goes up and down and stops the tractor when it's in a neutral position. Okay.